turbine demonstrator was developed as part of an EIT manufacturing program involving a number of partners here in Ireland, also in Greece, Spain and Finland. The purpose of the demonstrator is to provide an illustration of Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is advanced manufacturing and the use of smart technology, digital technology in manufacturing. In terms of this demonstrator, we include a number of elements. It includes the Internet of Things, this interaction between sensors, devices and the cloud, and how to feedback information in terms of it. It also includes the use of augmented reality, the ability of using an augmented reality version of the device to help explain how the device operates. In addition to the use of the sensor technology and the IoT, it also includes the ability to visualize that on a computer. It has what's called a digital twin. It's a digital version of the real device. By incorporating all these elements into a single device, what we're able to do is illustrate these in terms of a training program which we developed for industry and also for undergraduate students. Industry 4 has been very widely applied in industry. It's the digitalization of the manufacturing process. By being able to capture data, and we can do it a lot more cheaply now than we used to because of the use of sensors and the wide availability of sensors, combined with the ability to take data and find from that data key pieces of information, and also to be able to feed it back in real time. That combination of being able to capture this information, use it in real time, has helped to reduce manufacturing costs. It has helped in terms of processing efficiencies and reduce wastage from processing.